Feeling spooky these days? Then let's dive face first into some epic Halloween hacks! Here's my phone. Turn in all cell phones before taking the test.
Fine. We'll give teacher what teacher needs.
A cleaver? No! Zombie Ava, stop! Don't chop the teacher! Wait, what is this? Phone case looking like meat cleaver? Hello, Kate. I asked her to turn in her phone.
Here am zombie phone like teacher asked. Time for zombie to take test.
So much drama over your phones, I swear. Sorry. Here you go. Teenagers. Now's my chance. What an excellent phone! Oh. Hello? Yes, I'm speaking on a cleaver phone. This is so fun!
Zombie needs things at locker. But what? Zombie can't remember. Oh, right. Zombie need books for class. 1 book. 2 book. A book for zombie. That's all zombie need right now. Uh-oh. Backpack rip. All zombie things fall. This worse. What zombie do now?
What's wrong, Zombie? You look so sad.
Zombie bag rip. No more carry zombie things.
Oh my gosh! That stinks. Sorry. Wait, I have an idea! We can use my bag to fix your problem. I'll lay my bag flat so I can draw on it with this pencil. Nice straight lines to make nice big letters. R-I-P. Perfect! Now for the next part. I'll start drawing at the top. Keep going with my pencil across the whole bag. It looks good! Now I need a marker. Time to color in these letters. This marker is doing a great job. Need to make sure I color all the spots, too. Okay, the black is done, so time for the next color. Green! Gotta get this color all the way to the edge. Great! Now for decorations. A spider here and a spider there. Perfect! Hi, Zombie! I have a surprise for you!
Zombie love it! It match zombie aesthetic perfectly! Zombie twist to see how it look. It look good! Zombie very happy.
Ew, that was creepy. But I'm glad you like it!
Zombie friend Kate have big heart and big brain.
Candy. Ooh, I haven't been to this house yet. Trick or treat!
Halloween is for kids. Okay, fine. Here you go. A nice, healthy treat.
A carrot? You're supposed to give me candy! Or chocolate! Something nice! Like this! Not vegetables! Ugh! Stupid lettuce! Take that! Huh! Have fun picking up this mess! What's all the noise out here? My yard!
I know how to teach him a lesson. First, I need some medical tape. Place it over your face. Leaving holes for your eyes. Place some tape-covered card over your eyes. Add some more to your forehead and lips, making sure there is a mouth hole. Color with face paint. Color the eyes and mouth with black face paint. Add some finishing touches and a terrifying scarecrow.
Ooh, wait a minute. Candy! Delicious chewy candy! Wait. Nah. A few more bars. Enough! Trick or treat.
You forgot your candy!
I really should tidy my locker someday. Aw, Kevin, you shouldn't have. I didn't. Let go. They're beautiful. Oops. How are you so strong? Never mind. Gotta go. Kevin? Hey, Jasmine. These are for you. Aw, you're so sweet. Can I walk you to class? I didn't like those flowers anyway!
Wait, this gives me an idea. I'll show them.
I need this glue stick. I'll run it over my eyebrows. It's just like using an eyebrow pencil. Except stickier. Okay, that should do it. Next I need this makeup palette. I'll brush the makeup on top of the glue. I want to cover it completely. That's just what I want. Now I'll apply white makeup to my cheeks. This makeup sponge gives an even and smooth application. I just need to dab it on. Then I'll do the same on my forehead. And around my neck, throat, and chest. That should be enough. Next, I need darker foundation. It's just like contouring. This will give a contrast to the white makeup. It's looking good. Now it's time for some gray. I'll go over the same spots as the darker foundation. It'll create shadowing. But I'm not finished. This blue is perfect for around my eyes. I'll follow the natural curve and draw a thin line. Just like this. I'll put black eyeshadow on the lower lids. I'm almost ready. There's just one last thing. Kevin's flowers. I'll gently squeeze the flower to separate the petals. Now I can paint it. I'll apply blue paint to the bottom of the petal, then work my way up. Once that's dry, I'll add black paint. I won't go as far up the petal this time. Next, I need white paint. This can go around the ends. It looks so pretty! Now I need to apply it to my face. I'll position it and then carefully press it onto my skin. I need a few more. All that's missing is the finishing touches. Some fake blood. I'll use a pipette to make it drip from my eyes. Pretty impressive, huh? I hope Kevin likes it. And then I was like, back off, Cheryl. It was so funny. Kevin? Who's that? Huh? What are you talking about?
Hello, Kevin. I've been looking for you. Why did you leave? We belong together. For eternity.
Stay back. I mean it. Whoa!
Oh, Kevin. Don't be like that. You're so silly.
Leave me alone! Take Jasmine instead! Do something, Jasmine! I love your dress. And your makeup. Thanks. I did it myself. Wanna hang out? Yeah. Let's get out of here. He's so immature. Phew. That was close. I mean, I wasn't scared. Wait. What was that noise? Someone's behind me, aren't they?
Hello, Kevin.
Oh, hello, rich zombie. Please, put your arm down. Is this it? I think you can do better. That's much better. Thank you. Alright, this will just take me a moment. Oh. Zombie glad to take your brain. This brain look good. Zombie excited. Zombie own brain, not very big. Zombie has great idea. We'll put new brain in zombie head. Wow, Zombie's new brain much better. Zombie can totally do calculus now. Zombie's new brain is definitely upgrade. Ugh, Zombie hates going to blackboard. Huh? What that on her desk? Looks like answers. Zombie have a good idea. Zombie eyeball will help Zombie with math. Now eyeball can see all the answers. Zombie will look like genius. Wait! What the heck heck is that? An eyeball? Ew, it's squishy. Where did it even come from? Oh no! Teacher has Zombie's eyeball! Smells pretty good, to be honest. I think it's a gummy! No!